Have you ever faced the problem where the surface of the screws in the equipment are stained with residual plastic, which affects the normal operation of the equipment and the quality of the products? Don't worry, we have professional cleaning methods to solve this problem. The fully automatic screw cleaning machine uses high-pressure water to clean the extruder screws in just 10 to 20 minutes. Compared to traditional methods, such as hard object brushing and abrasive cleaning, the way of high-pressure water cleaning does not cause any damage to the surface of the screws, ensuring stable operation and extending service life of the screws. Cleaning the screws regularly to ensure stable operation of the equipment. We provide professional cleaning services to help you solve industrial cleaning problems.